Look at her. Look at her. Look at that. Oh, look at that pepperoni pizza. We're gonna eat this whole thing. New cookbook coming soon, foodies. We're gonna eat this whole pizza to the face. Yes, we is. Yes, we is. Yes. Hey, Anna. Welcome back to the show, guys. We have a new cookbook coming soon. Mm, mm, mm. Hmm? Mm. 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 Please hit that like button, foodies. Thank you for another viral night last night. 84,000 views. Mm, 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 mm. How many slices do you think there is? Can you count the slices? Mm, 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 mm. Let's get 10 super chats, foodies. Mm, 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 mm. Look at that. Mm, mm. Leave a 1 in the chat if you're learning a lot. Leave a 2 in the chat if you're not learning anything. I'm gonna teach you guys how to eat this pizza. Mm. 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 Mhm. Asante, you're not learning anything? What's up, guys? How many slices are there? It looks good. Mm. I needed that swig of water. Let's get back into it, guys. Hey, Bridget. Hey, guys, can we get 10 more gifts in the chat, please? Look at that crispy piece of pizza. Mm. 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 I love you for watching, Martin. Please comment on our newest upload. No ranch. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Martin, could you please comment on our newest video? Azantea, you literally put ranch in your pizza? Who else does ranch on their pizza? Oh, where's the pizza from? Domino's. Team Veggie Pizza. I should have eaten it when it was searing hot. Sorry, guys. I would have gotten some better cheese pulls, but I was making a couple of videos. I started to do a little editing for the show. What do you guys like? Do you guys like pepperoni pizza, veggie, cheese, meat lovers? So far with 38 votes, we asked the chat, what is the worst pizza? Excuse me. What's the worst pizza? Pepperoni, cheese, veggie, or meat lovers? Feel free to send a super chat, foodies. Eat all pizza, B move says, eat all the pizza. Who all puts ranch on their pizza? Martin commented on our newest upload. Ivy M. Romania, could you please comment on our newest upload? Leave a 1 in the chat if you like ranch on your pizza. Leave a 2 in the chat if you do not like ranch on your pizza. Because personally, I'm just not a ranch guy. I'm a barbecue sauce person. Like everything that's like barbecue sauce adjacent, BBQ, meals. I'm just a barbecue type guy. Do you guys eat the crust? Am I bogus for that? What's up? Welcome back to the show, my dear foodies. My name is ChocolateSugi. I put ranch on microwaved popcorn, my big bag self. Philly Phil. You put ranch on popcorn. Now that's, should I say a new low or maybe a new level? Excuse me, I don't want to say a new low. I'm gonna say a new level. Okay, I put ranch on. No, I put barbecue on Thanksgiving turkey. Hmm. Yeah, I don't eat the crust either. I feel like it's extra fattening. I got that from Trisha Paytas, though. Oh my goodness, are you guys gonna? I think we're gonna get the Trisha Paytas Domino's pizza. Should we review the Trisha Paytas Domino's pizza, foodies? New cookbook coming soon. Cash App $ChocolateSugi. What's the worst pizza, foodies? Excuse me. Depends on the crust. No, Domino's has nice crust. It really does depend on the crust. I'm not mad at Domino's crust, but I just get so full off their pizza that I never have any room left. Never. I left you 3 big old slices. Is that cool?
Yeah. Want more? Go ahead.
I don't particularly want more. I wanna make sure you're eating. Are you hungry?
I mean, I'll take if you want another slice, I'll take less too. But if
Okay.
not, I'll eat it. Whatever.
Yeah. Come
You
on.
still
Am I still filming? Absolute, absolute. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the show. They said it's a floppy mess after 1 bite. Sophia says that looks good for real, for real. I just wanted to make sure my buddy was eating.
what?
Should we eat another slice? Or should we save my buddy the last 3? You guys decide. Good. It was empty. It was looks-
I was.
Let's see the undercarriage. Okay.
Whoa,
Isn't this the undercarriage of the pizza?
that's crazy.
I just showed them.
I'm screwed.
They said slam the whole pizza. Philly Phil, you gotta watch our eating shows. We be slamming pizza all day. I'm trying to be a little skinny mini. Philly Phil says he dips his popcorn in ranch. I said, now that is a new level.
Is it? People put butter on their popcorn, and that's just pure lard. It's
People put butter
butter.
on everything. Are you kidding me? What are you, a ranch person?
No, how were how I don't know what to say it. How much worse is ranch than butter? You know? Pepperoni here.
They don't give a crap about you. They said Crust is best. Save him some crust. Oh my goodness, they're saying you're spraying with spit, bro. Like I'm just talking all over your food. Facts. You guys got a point. Like they're like, bro, why would you like come on. They said save that and cover it for him. You're breathing all over it. You're spraying it with spit, bro. Save it for your boy. Okay, I can do that. Okay, okay. I love you, foodies. Check out pizza eating shows when we devour an entire Domino's pizza. Subscribe to our second channel, Sugi's Chocolate Factory. Make sure you leave a gift, a super chat, or you feel free to cash out $ Chocolate Sugi. Join our membership over here. Join the Chocolate Factory. I love you for watching. We are live daily. Bah!